Oh my god. What the fucking hell's this? Milker. A milky, milky, milky coffee. A milky, milky, milky coffee. A milky, milky, milky. A milky, milky, milky.
Take the fourth exit.
A milky, milky,
then,
milky
at
coffee.
the roundabout, take the second exit.
La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-da. Then we'll park up somewhere, girls, and we'll have a play. Because we know you like a good play, don't we?
Turn right.
Oh, might as well get closer, might we? Don't cost any extra.
After 100 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit. And go along 4149. Then, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Right, you want to wait here?
Traffic delay on your route has changed to 3 minutes.
I'll get some milker and some doggy biscuits. What a fucking dump that Tesco's is. It's a fucking shithole. Everything, almost everything inside, this is why people ain't fucking going in there. Everything is Tesco club card discount. Honestly, so what they've done is they've overcharged on everything and then said like, oh, Tesco club card discount. So to get to normal price. Fucking hell. So I fucked meeting that straight off. We've got some tins. We've got a fucking tin. I think it's hungry. I'm in hungry and I'm eating a tin of Hungarian goulash. Not a fucking freshly made one. A fucking tin. We got all sorts of shite. We got some other shite and we got some bread and we got doggies some biscuits and some treaters, haven't we, sweetheart? So let's just go and find somewhere to park up now. Oh, and I've got 12 litres of milk. Yep, 12 fucking litres. Because I'm sick of running out. That'll do me for 20 cups, which will probably last me until the end of the day. There was a boat
Traffic
in there.
delay on your route has changed.
Must be
to 8
some
minutes.
kind of fucking
Turn left. Then, at the
museum.
roundabout, take the third exit.
To be honest, that Tesco's is like a museum. They don't make counter, they were nothing. Just couple of pieces of
At the
steak.
roundabout, take the third exit.
Oh, I wish I could have filmed inside. It were a right shithole. I don't think Tesco are going to be doing right well out here. You know, like your Carrefours and all that, they're all brilliant.
Take the third exit.
That
then,
Tesco's
at
is
the
a
roundabout, take
shithole.
the second exit.
That other one I went to wasn't that much better either, to be honest, compared to Carrefours and can't remember what other one's called, Pennies, something like that. Dickens!
After
You're looking
100
happy,
meters,
Athena.
the
Now you've
roundabout,
wacked
take
it
the
up.
second exit.
Yeah.
And go along 381.
Holy, because Sheba's back from the dead. Hello, Sheba.
Take the second exit.
Are you not scared of that? Are you a big girl? After you got shouted at for being a silly Billy, eh? Aye.
Please
Should have gone over there to Aldi.
14 kilometers.
Fuck it, let's go back and take money back. And there's no tills. It's all self-service. And you can't even blag a fucking bag. Because I picked a bag up and just put it on things. She come over and scanned the cunt. 50 fucking pence or something, I don't know. But no, you're not going down there. I've told you, no. If you want to go down, go in back. Go on. In back. Ah. You don't want to, do you? Just want to be a fucking twatter. You're not going down. You're not going down there. Them days have done. There's no more going down it footwell and trying to press pedals with your nose, madam. Told her, haven't we, Athena? If you go down there again, Athena, what are you going to do to her? I'm going to fucking bite her ears off.
No, you're not.
I know, I'll bite your fucking ears off.
You're not biting my ears off. Stop it, I'm scared. I'm scared of fucking anything that makes a bang. When you go over the speed bump, I'm scared. When you go over rumble strips, I'm scared. When you go over cattle grids, I'm scared. When I hear thunder, I'm scared. When I hear fireworks, I'm scared. I'm just fucking scared all the fucking time.
Oh, I know. I'm kidding. You're a good girl. Who wants some treaters then? Ah, here's a pricked up now, ain't ya? As soon as I find somewhere to stop, girls, we're stopping. Yeah, I know. Oh, thank you. Thank you for kissy kiss. Oh, you're holding my hand. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's nice. That means you're a good girl. That means you're my friend. Oh no, here. It's like a car parking space down there. I know, you've seen it. It's a puddy cat, isn't it? Yeah. I know, it's a puddy cat.
Traffic delay.
Calm down, calm down. Oh, you want to play with Puddy Cat? Puddy Cat says no, he says fuck off. Right, here we're at dam. We're at the dam. Here's what we got from the shittest Tesco in the world. Doggy biscuits, I got them. About a fucking tenner for that bag for 3 kilos, you know. Milk, 12 litres, that was about 16 quid. Loaf of bread, £1 odd. Nestle, that cost me a few quid. That cost me about 4 quid for that, I think, or £3 something. In their money, in them fucking Hungarian derbies. And I got these, because I got that cheese, innit? And they're nice. They're not what I thought they were, but they're nice. They've got like a kick to them, like some spice or something in them. Dogs are going back in. I won't fucking blame them. I'll tell you what we got. That translator ain't got a fucking clue. But this one. Oh! This one translates to. I have no idea. I'm going to come on, let's get him. We're fucking pissing it down now. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Karma. So what you want to do is get the can of, I've no idea, and place it on the burner. I would suggest a mild heat, not too strong. We don't want to burn the, I haven't got a fucking clue. Right, and then we'll open the tin of, what the fucking hell is this? Then I think this, what the fucking hell is this, will be a delight to see. And it sounds like opening a can of fucking Budweiser. And I'm trying to do it with one hand, so give me 1 second. Oh my god. What the fucking hell's this? Oh, that doesn't look like. That doesn't look nothing like what he shows on fucking tin. Look at that. What the? It's like, it's rock hard. Oh. Well, that's another delightful episode of Cooking with Karma. Hope to see you again tomorrow for another stunning episode of Eating What the Fuck's That? And this is fucking, this looks, it might thin out when I eat it up. I'm just going to dip bread in that, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to dip some bread in that and have that. And I'll put that on eat and just see if it thins out. It might, don't mind it. Eh? You think? Look, they're about £1.60 a fucking tin, you know what I mean? Come on. This is nice, this. It's got, let me just, park that on there. Here, it's got lots of different meat in it. Some potatoes, some like pepperami, some, I don't know what that is, it might be beef or pork or chicken, I ain't got a fucking clue. But it's nice, it tastes nice, it's spicy. That is so good and so delicious. And I've added some more water to try and thin it out. But I've tasted it, I'll have another taste for you. It's got pasta in it, And it's got this creamy taste. It's a bit like rice pudding. But it's fantastic, it's amazing. It's that amazing, I don't think I deserve to eat that. I think, because the dogs are so good, I'm going to let that cool down and I'm going to mix it in with the biscuits and hope that they fucking ate it. But yeah, this is nice. This bread's nice and all. Tesco's a shit house.